the hell is Jimmy Gibbs Jr.?
Oh, hey! Jimmy Gibbs!
I'm getting sick of looking at this guy's face.
Well, trust me, in these parts, he's as famous as... We gonna put up tents and shit, or keep moving? What do y'all make of this? Looks like we're gonna have to save ourselves. Anybody got an idea? Speak up, we listen.
I might have an idea. Let's go find Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. We get that thing gassed up, we will drive out of here.
Son, you got a deal.
All right, I'm betting the gas tanks will probably be empty. We're gonna have to gas it up before we haul ass.
Soon as these doors open, get ready to move. Haul ass and get gas. Come on, baby, come on.
Reloading.
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 Reloading!
I got one. Grabbing. I got it.
Reloading!
Hey man, hold up. Healing. Oh yeah.
Reload.
Yeah. I got it.
I'm reloading.
Weapons here! Oh shit, come on,
Thanks,
get up!
Thanks.
Healing!
This is not how it's
Cover
gonna
me.
end.
I got one.
I'm gonna heal.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Weapons over here! here is some bullshit.
Like Dr. Nichols.
Just 3 more.
Getting pounced on or something.
Hey, I'm reloading. Watch out! We got a charger.
Grabbing pills.
I'll hold on
Grabbing
to
a
these
shot.
pills.
I got this one.
Reloading.
I got it.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Man, I want you to have this.
I hear one of those jockeys.
Charger!
If I see it, I'm gonna shoot the shit out of it.
Look out!
Got it. I got one. Oh, come on, baby, come on. Filling it up here. Just 2. I got this one. 1 more to go.